Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to find the section Sounds and Vibrations. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and find the ringtones, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, which is more it is divided between two different SIM cards, which simply means that you can set a different ringtone for the first one and totally different for the second one, which is quite cool. So let's tap on it. Here you can change the cards. Here we've got the list of pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option none, not one but none, which simply means that after clicking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call with the usage of the sound. At the top, on the other hand, we've got the music on device, which simply means that if you've got any compatible files, for example, downloaded, they will appear on this list, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the presets. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to check it whether you like it or not. And if you want to set this one, for example, the chilled one in my case, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call, in my case from the first SIM card. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.